Hey, if you're here, your rear door on your F-150 is stuck on your extended cab. I'm going to show you how to quickly get that fixed. All you need is 3 tools. First tool you'll need is a flathead screwdriver. Come over here, pull that off. That's going to expose these 2 bolts here. They're 10 millimeter. Get a 10 millimeter socket with an extension, works best. Take those out. There's one. There's a second. Now once you have those bolts taken out, you're going to be able to remove this whole section here. Flathead screwdriver. Get an edge, or pop out there. Bring you around here so you can kind of see what's going on. So there's 2 cables in here. This top one is for the top latch. This bottom one is obviously for the bottom latch. Figure out which latch is stuck on yours. In my case, it was the bottom one. You can see in here, there's a metal ball that's attached to the end of the cable. It connects to the handle. See that? You have to get the metal ball. You just slide it back in to that, the plastic part in there, and you do that with your needle nose pliers. Just set up here. Let's see. You pull this piece out. You reach in there, you grab the cable, and you're going to seat it back in there. I'll show you here. You're going to seat it right back inside there. Once you get it back seated in, it's going to function as it should, and the door is going to be fixed. All you have to do is reassemble it. Reverse the steps that you just did. Put your bolts back in. Real easy fix. Definitely nothing you need to bring it to the mechanic for. And this actually happens quite frequently. I've had to make this repair several times. For some reason the balls on those cables like to come out of those little plastic pieces inside the handles. Those are tight. Put your panel back in at an angle. And there you go. You're all set.